Yeah, we were in Senegal a few days ago, and I'm speaking for Tiara, who couldn't make it today. We were in Senegal, and the sound there was so surprising for me. Like, I've always grown up getting interested in African music, but actually going there and seeing all the dances, everyone's just parties the whole day, and all the rhythm there is so rhythmic. Yeah, and I feel like it'll be so amazing to have that rhythm energy in our next music. Yeah.
To me, for China and I know Japan, actually Philippines too, because I hear some, like in the taxi, there's kind of like this instrumental that's kind of like, well, basically just very Asian. And nowadays, a few DJs are starting to put that as a, how do you say, a piece? A sample, thank you. A sample in their electronic music. And I think if we keep doing it, it's just gonna be a new it thing for sure. Yeah.
So anyone else would like to contribute styles from their respective countries that you think would do well in their music?
If it's okay for me to say it again. I just feel like it's so interesting seeing all the different sounds, and it'll be amazing if we can create a new sound that has like taste of everything, like K-pop, electronic sounds from K-pop, African rhythm, Latin rhythm. So I think it'll be amazing if we can create a new sound with every sound.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. And you know